Hey guys, Roxy Saran, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about optimal women's health and focusing on that. But most women, honestly, we would just like to have a little bit more balanced, healthy diet and maybe a better exercise regimen and a whole lot of less stress, right? Okay, if you are new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. So I want to help you today, give you very simple tips that you can incorporate into your life as women to help with just a little bit better in the health department. Well, the first one is Doterra's Lifelong Vitality Pack. If you hear nothing from me today or anything from our channel, just get on Doterra's Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is going to be the first building block of Doterra and helping to revitalize your health. You're going to love the way that you feel. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so what do you have to lose? I remember 8 years ago when I started incorporating essential oils, Doterra essential oils into my life, and specifically Doterra's Lifelong Vitality Pack. At first, I was really skeptical. I mean, really, a vitamin is a vitamin, right? But I felt like a new mom in a box. And so if you need to feel like a new mom in a box, you're going to love the Lifelong Vitality Pack. It comes with 3 components. One of them is a whole food-based nutrition. That means that your body knows how to assimilate that just like it would food. And so you're going to get better results. The second one is a natural energy complex, so it helps at the cellular level. Think about it. If your cells have more energy, then in turn, you have more energy. And the last component of the Lifelong Vitality Pack is the omegas. You're getting your plant and marine omegas incorporated with essential oils that are going to help with joints and brain health, cardiovascular health, all the things. So overall, bottom line, you should have more balanced moods and emotions, just sleeping better, more focused, and feeling absolutely amazing. And so I don't know what I would do without Doterra's Lifelong Vitality Pack. If I miss a dose, I can feel it. I'm looking for more carbs that day for more energy. I'm scattered. I can tell right away if I miss my supplement. So I know you're absolutely going to love it. So mom, go ahead, go to roxysaran.com and grab Doterra's Lifelong Vitality Pack. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and I promise you're going to absolutely love it. All right, the next thing that I want to talk about today is the Women's Health Kit. This is specific for women. You're absolutely going to love it. It comes with 3 components. One of them is the bone nutrient. Bone nutrient is going to help support your bones, and also when you take it with the phytoestrogen, balances over 55 hormones for us, so we need that in our bodies to help support. The phytoestrogen is a plant-based nutrition that is going to help flush out the bad estrogens. When we come in contact with toxins or plastics, just being outside, right? We are coming in contact with toxins, and so some bodies, we're just not able to process all of that. Well, our receptor sites then become clogged with the fake estrogens, and our body is not able to communicate. And so phytoestrogen, what it does is it comes in and helps flush out those bad estrogens. They're called xenoestrogens. Help flush those out so that your hormones that you already have are able to communicate properly. And so that's what it does. So bone nutrient and phytoestrogen together are going to help support over 55 different hormones in your body. Also, Clary Calm. Clary Calm is a roller of essential oil from Doterra specifically for women's hormones. You can use this daily if you need to, ladies, as you get into those premenopausal and menopausal years. You can use Clary Calm daily for moods and emotions and bloating, all those feelings. But for prepubescent girls, you can start utilizing that if you're starting with acne or feeling bloated. All the things to support, you can use it as needed. So Clary Calm on your wrists or your abdominal area, lower back, anything like that is going to help support your hormones in a natural way. If you are ready to get started with Doterra essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We would love to welcome you to the oily family right there. Or if you just want to purchase the Lifelong Vitality Pack and the Women's Health Kit, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. Another staple in our home for women specifically is Clary Sage. Now, Clary Sage is a single essential oil from Doterra that helps with grounding, calming. It can also help with stress and sleep, but also helps support a healthy hormone response. And so Clary Sage is a wonderful essential oil to put in your diffuser at night or anytime throughout the day when you're feeling stressed or anxious. And last but not least, I would like to tell you about Doterra's blend called Serenity. Now, Serenity essential oil is very calming and grounding, helps with stress, with feelings of anxiousness, also can help support a good night's rest. And so Serenity smells like a lollipop to me. It smells absolutely amazing. You're gonna love it in your diffuser at night or during times of stress. So these are my top favorite essential oils and products for women. I hope this was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part of this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video. I'll give you a really simple DIY that you can do for sunburns. Have a great day.